Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel that is Career Wave. My name is Satyendra Pathak, and today we are about to discuss best discussion ever, and that is the session with Swagata. She has been a very brilliant student for ATC preparation, and she has scored a lot actually. So, without wasting any time, let's welcome her. So, hello, Swagata. How are you? And many congratulations for obtaining such a magnanimous position in the ATC field, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hello, sir. How are you?
I am okay.
So, sir, I'll introduce myself. My name is Swagata Borgohain. I come from a place called Lakhimpur, which is in the state of Assam. I have completed my Master of Science in Physics from Cotton University last year. And in ATC, I have scored 112.21
That's a
from
quite
second
huge
shift.
score.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So the thing is, you told me about your educational background and the shift and the score, but we want more to know how did you score that much? What was your tips and tricks and strategies, if anything, you could share with us?
Yes, sir. Actually, uh, I started preparing for the exam only after the notification was released. I was preparing for bank exams, and my non-tech part was quite well prepared. So I set for the common cadre exam. Then after that, when I came back, I saw in your channel actually that ATC vacancies are released. So I was quite excited about it, and I started of preparing for this dedicatedly. So I watched your videos, I watched how to prepare for it, I came to know about the strategies for self-study. So I started with ncrts. I also followed your suggestion about certain websites where we can practice physics and maths questions. And yes, sir, with a lot of practice from previous year questions, I was able to score this much.
So in short, we can say that the practice makes the man perfect, and she was the one who
Yes.
made it with the help of practice. But the
Yes.
next thing is from the student perspective, we just try to evaluate the life style, how did the life change after getting the final list, and what was the steps she did during the procedure. So can you elaborate the more about the steps that you had gone through during the selection process? And how did it
Yes.
affected your society, your friend circle, your family?
Yes, sir. So before getting this, I was actually a bit low in confidence. I was doubting myself whether I can do it or not. I was surrounded by quite some negative thoughts for quite some time. But I, bounced back with all the dedication I had in myself, and I did this. And my parents were very proud of me when they came to know about my score itself. So yeah, and also I think my friends, they were very inspired. Many of them shared with me that they are very inspired, and they are also getting a boost to prepare for this exam, because this exam has quite a high cutoff. So people back out, they hesitate to prepare for this. But with my success, many of my friends were motivated and inspired, and they're gonna try for this.
So that was quite a great. So can you explain me the reaction of family? What did you do? Did you actually? I did receive a box of sweet from your side, and it was quite a huge box, and it was quite sweet. And so I was expecting what did you do for your family, like a mother, father, and your parents actually, and then the siblings.
Yes, sir. Actually, when the scorecard was out, I was very excited, and I shared the score with my mom and dad, and they were very proud at that very instant. And they were sure that I would be getting into this, but I was a bit nervous because all the process regarding DB and medical, I was quite tense whether it will go smoothly or not. But yeah, when I shared my final result, they were quite certain that I'm gonna get it. So the reaction was quite lame actually. But yeah, they were very happy genuinely. And yeah, sir, I shared it with my friends. Everyone were very proud of me.
So the next thing is like there is a chance for the next vacancy around in between this year. Some are claiming like in August or in middle of August, but as per my prediction, it should be like around by the end of September or October beginning. So, what would be your message for the next aspirant, that is upcoming aspirant, that whoever are going to study with career wave as well as study with themselves? So, what should be the strategy for them as per your view?
Yes, so I think everyone should start preparing the non-tech part first because that will help in many other exams as well. So they can start preparing all the non-tech part, and then after completing that, they can start with physics and maths. And obviously, your course is very, the best for that regarding that because I mean, I am from science background. I mean, everyone is whoever is preparing, but yeah, I'm from physics, so I I was quite confident in physics part, but anyone who is from BTech or any other science subjects, they can like take your course because it would be very precise rather than if we self study, then it will be like everything would be scattered, and I think yeah, your course will help a lot in that term.
Thanks a lot for considering and supporting our courses, but there is a chance for both. Like as you yourself is a quite amazing say what we can say like gym in field of like self study and then getting qualified, and there are several of them from our platforms also. So it's up to them, like there is some support for the courses, there is some help, and we quite do a lot of work to support our students, and there has been huge selection this time.
Yes.
But yes, of course, if any students feel to get help from us, that would be great. And if he decides to be by themselves, then that's also great. We would be always with them. And the next thing is like there is a few students like they try to plan for the future, like for the examination, and they did forget to plan after the selection. Na? There is a planning before selection, like we are planning for the banking job, like for the technical jobs, but we forget to plan what to do after the job. So can you elaborate, like you have got selected, so what is your plan for the upcoming future?
Yes, sir. So right now I'm thinking of enjoying life. I mean, in all the extra time that I'll be getting, I want to do the things that I love. I mean, while I was preparing, I gave up my hobbies, so I'll be continuing to give more time to my hobbies during my free time, and obviously I will do my job to my best. I mean, I'll do it to my best capabilities. So that's all.
Next thing is like there is a time in between like you're joining and right now. So like there is of about a month in between. So have you planned anything in between this time, like going out with your family or going out by yourself or anything? There is a time right now, remaining time before the joining.
Yes, sir.
So what is your plan for that?
Sir, actually, I forgot to tell you that I'm working as a scientific assistant since March in forensic science.
Or
So I'll
wow,
be doing my job here.
okay. So how did you get that? Like there was a separate examination for that, or through SSC, or what was the strategy for that exam as well?
Yes, sir. There was a separate exam. A written exam was conducted, which had physics and aptitude part. So after getting screened in the written test, we were called for interview.
Awesome. Okay, so you are quite a gem in the field of preparation, actually. So that was all that
Thank you,
I
sir.
desired to ask with you and share with you. And many congratulations again for the upcoming life. And the next thing is, I was
Thank you,
just
sir.
wondering if you have anything like in your mind to share at the end by yourself, anything that you find helpful for yourself and you want to share with all our students also.
Yes, sir. So as I said before, that once I was surrounded with negative thoughts and I started doubting myself. But I think that shouldn't be the case with the aspirants, because faith in oneself is the only thing that will take you towards success. So we should keep faith in ourselves and our near and dear ones, and their support is always with us. So we should be confident in ourselves and keep pursuing our dreams.
So thanks a lot, Swagata, and it was quite a good session with you, and it was quite very beneficial with all the students, as I believe. And I myself found it very supportive and quite respective for you also. Like you have been struggling and you have been qualifying like several of exams one after another, and there might be one or more in lineup also. है ना? And you did score very well as, and such a humble and very genuine personality. So we do hope like you will be having this personality forever, and you will be helping with other students as well. So thank you for joining the
Yes,
session
sir,
and
sure.
wish you all the best and many, many
Thank you, sir.
congratulations again.
Thank you, sir.
So hello guys, this was a session with Swagata, and I believe that you must have found this video helpful. Don't forget to join Career Wave, and that was all. Keep yourself happy and keep smiling. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.